next guest, we are very pleased to have the CTO of Insular Life, Gwen Kelley, is with us. Insular Life, if you don't know, this is the largest Filipino life insurance company in the nation. And Gwen has really made a big name for herself in the insurtech world in the country. And certainly in life, what I call it, in life or Insular Life is certainly the leader in this. So please welcome Gwen Kelley, the first Vice President and CTO of Insular Life. Glad to have you, Gwen.
Magandang araw, Richard, and a good day to all who are watching this forum today. Thank you for having me here. I have built my career around these two passions, insurance and tech, and it's a 100% matched with what Insular Life represents, a life insurance company who exists for the Filipino adopting world-class technology. We believe in our mission of advancing for everyone to have life insurance as part of our commitment to empower and ensure the well-being of our people, our members, and the community we serve. People have doubts about insurance because as you talk about life insurance, you have no way of going around a discussion on sickness or death. It's uncomfortable, even morbid for most, but really, everyone gets sick and everyone will eventually reach end of life. And it is our responsibility to be concerned and be prepared about these things. For me, top 3 reasons for having life insurance would be first, medical expenses can deplete your savings. Employer-sponsored insurance coverage is usually not enough. Burial costs add up. And savings during a crisis, we need this. Loss of a job, closure of a business. Again, during this pandemic, many were in this situation. We advocate for everyone to have life insurance because life insurance brings peace of mind in the present and financial benefit in the future. So how does technology play a part in this advocacy for insurance? Latest programming technology, cloud computing, mobile technology, and the spreading rise of platforms and ecosystems are allowing insurers to first expand the market, second, lower costs, and third, provide better user experience. We are able to reach more people through participation and partnerships with digital platforms with the use of cloud technology and reusable APIs. Just last month, we launched our in-life products in Elsa Care. It's an e-commerce platform that's based out of Spain and whose target are Filipinos living and working there. Insular Life and Insular Healthcare are now able to offer health insurance for our OFWs who want to purchase coverage for their loved ones here in the country. I talked about lowering costs, again through reusable APIs, cloud and low-code or no-code programming. These help push down operational costs for developing solutions and deploying products in a much faster pace. We are able to offer better priced products that make it more cost-friendly to the rest of the population who remains to be uninsured. Our existing offerings in platforms like Lazada, GCash, and Union Bank Online are very affordable products which aim to introduce the uninsured to the value of insurance coverage or further expand coverage to those who are already insured. Through technology, we are able to create better, safer, and more secured experiences for our employees, partners, and our members. In the past 2 years, we were able to accelerate our digital transformation by quickly adopting new technology and focusing on ensuring work or business continuity despite the lockdowns brought about by the pandemic. In the past quarter alone, we were able to launch 3 self-help platforms. 3Boss, our mobile app for members. This allows them to view their policies and the values of their investment funds through their mobile phones. In Life Pay Facility is first in the industry self-help portal that allows our members to pay for the premiums of their policies via our website anytime online. And then we also launched online claims just last month. It transforms the claims process to provide a self-help portal for members to submit claims notices and requirements online. For our partners, our financial advisors, we have made the recruitment process more seamless by introducing the e-licensing system, which is also a self-help portal developed through low-code programming and using API and robotic process automation technologies. We also deployed a mobile app for our financial advisors called Compass. This digitalizes their leads management, day-to-day sales activities, and performance tracking. With the adoption of these new technologies and our continuous pursuit of innovation and agility, IDG and CIO 75 recognized in life through me to be included in the top 75 senior technology executives in Southeast Asia and Hong Kong, driving innovation, strengthening resiliency, and influencing rapid changes in the region. What should we look out for in 2022 and beyond from tech in the insurance space? According to Gartner's 2021 Innovation and Crisis Survey, the disruptions encountered in 2020 acted as a catalyst for insurance CIOs, and this is true. As a result, new priorities, obstacles, and opportunities have emerged. We will see more deployment of solutions using artificial intelligence and machine learning, RPA, OCR, or optical character recognition, and technology supporting customer experience and the transformation of core insurance systems. Technology investments will likewise increase in customer experience technologies, cloud transformation, business intelligence, and data analytics, and the Internet of Things. In this era, we are seeing autonomous cars, contactless payments, and chatbots that advise and assist people from the mundane to the more important tasks as planning for their financial well-being. Amidst all these advancements and disruption, tech insurance leaders need to stay focused on why we do what we do. In creating solutions, products, pursuing transformation and innovation, the vision must be to include everyone in the transformation. The user experience should be better, personalized, and safe, and the aim is to provide positive outcomes. Again, thanks for having me.
Very good. Thank you, Gwen. And now, Gwen, I know we talked a little bit before you spoke, and I was surprised you have such a large software development group creating all kinds of apps and so forth. Out of all the projects you've worked on, what was the area where you had the most success? Keeping in mind to people listening, there's so many different steps to the whole insurance. I mean, there's recruiting of agents, there's the whole underwriting process, there's claims, it just goes on and on. Which area did you really have the biggest impact, would you say, Gwen?
During the start of the pandemic in March 2020, we were able to immediately launch another automated process we call in Life 5. It allowed our sales agents or financial advisors to be able to continue with their business, selling life insurance despite the hard lockdowns during that time. Nobody was allowed to go out. But because of the digital capabilities we were able to provide to them, they were able to continue with what they were doing.
How far will this go, do you think? Will there ever be a time when agents won't be meeting people in person? Is this where we're headed to? Or does that personal touch still require? What do you hear from the people you deal with?
For us presently, the strategy is really to go where the customers go, or approach them in the way they prefer to be approached. So some people, like the Gen Y, Gen Z would somehow prefer to be informed or trained digitally, but then there would be people who would still want the personal touch, the face-to-face interactions of having them taught what the value of the products and experiences you are offering to them face to face. Yeah.
Yes, I see. And now this is all leading to a lot of overlap with other financial institutions like banking type products. Do you think this is going to continue, Gwen? Would InLife offer what I would call banking-like products, or you're going to stick to what do you see for the future, Gwen?
Yeah, I think we call in our internally we call it the strategy of partnership. So we're partnering with banks, with e-commerce platforms, with Lazada. It's where you buy all stuff, right? But we're partnering with these platforms because, as I mentioned, we want to be able to expand further and reach the people who are present in these platforms.
I see. So, Gwen, can you explain though? Now, Lazada is mainly for selling products. Everybody knows. What are you doing with Lazada? That's really a big surprise, a big innovation.
So we sell insurance products in Lazada. So very affordable products in Lazada. Yep, we've been present there, I think, for going to 4 years already. So with that, yeah, with the developments we did there, like we utilize reusable APIs, and as I mentioned, cloud technology. We are able to reuse those technologies to well in future partnerships. Like we continued that work with Gcash, so we're also now in Gcash and with UBP Online.
Interesting. Wow. Okay. Well, Gwen, we're looking forward to seeing how things go for the future, but that is really exciting. And thank you again. That was Gwen Kelley from In Life.